Hey everybody, are you angry or are you hurt? Or you want revenge? Or you are a person who never tends to forgive? Or somebody has taken you for granted, broke your heart, and even didn't bother to ask for forgiveness? Or he even doesn't realize that what he has done to you? Or you want to teach him a lesson, a lifetime lesson? Or you spend your time planning and thinking about to take revenge, then this video is for you. Well, I'm assuming that you are a subscriber, but if not, then take a second and subscribe to our channel because it's free. The question arises that why should you forgive somebody? The answer is simple: for yourself, for your betterment. Yes, you listened right. For your betterment. Let me explain my point with the story. There are two words, Jack and John. Jack never forgives somebody, he holds a grudge and hates them to the end level. John is so forgiving and have a very pure heart. With time, Jack found people who has done wrong to him have hurt him, and he kept all the negativities inside him and let these negativities decide his reactions, his decisions in his life. He became judgmental, pessimistic, and started not trusting people. He used to be angry all the time. He got depressed. He got heart disease and diabetes. He filled his box of life with hatred, anger, and other negative emotions because he never forgave somebody. He never erased those negativities. Yeah. And now John. People also has done wrong to him the same way they has done to Jack. But John used to forgive everybody. Yes, he never let them hurt him again. He didn't hold a grudge. Anger due to that he got better physical, mental, and spiritual health. He filled the box of his life with positive things like happiness, with friends, with other productive things. Now it's up to you. You want to spend a life like a Jack, the miserable life? Or you want to spend a life like a John, a better life, a life with full of love, with full of positive things happening around? It's up to you. With this note, subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss next video that is about 3 tips to learn forgiveness, and share your views about forgiveness in comment section.